Hello friends and welcome to our Remitano network platform where you stake your RENEC. Now, this is how to undelegate and transfer your staking coin to your Remitano app. So if you want to transfer your RENEC to your Remitano app, this is what you do. First, these are your delegated and stake coin or token. Now, if you want to undelegate, just click on delegate. When you undelegate, all your coin will move to your staking wallet. So after clicking on delegate, you will just go back to your wallet. By then, your undelegated RENEC will reflect in your wallet account. Now, what are you going to do? You will click on send. When you click on send, go back to your Remitano app. Log into your Remitano app. Click on wallet at the bottom below. When you click on wallet, locate RENEC. When you find RENEC, just click on deposit. When you click on deposit, a pop-up like this will show. Then click on the address. Just copy this your RENEC address. When you copy it, then exit and go back to your RENEC staking account. So just paste the address that you copy and click on the amount of RENEC you want to transfer to your Remitano app. If you want to transfer all, you click on maximum. Everything on your staking account will reflect here. Then click on this I am aware, blah 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 blah. When you click on it, a pop-up of send will appear. Just click on send. When you click on send, then go back to your Remitano app. The money will reflect in your Remitano account. Then you can swap or withdraw. Very easy. If you still find it difficult or you have not understand, please comment at my description box below. Please subscribe, follow us for more video will be updated soon.